Hi, this is Jenny from Jenny's Crayon Collection, and today we're going to learn how to take off all of these things off the wall. So we have pens, a Sharpie marker, washable marker, colored pencil, dry erase marker, and a regular pencil. So before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I help you guys find the coolest art supplies out there. And today I'm showing you guys what to do with the coolest art supplies when they get on your wall when you don't want them on your wall. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are gonna draw on the wall. We're gonna wait for the Sharpie. I might go to another room where you won't be able to see it. So this is the marker. This is the crayon. This wall's dirty anyway, so it'll be good to clean it off. So this is the colored pencil, the pen, and then this is the dry erase marker thing. Oh, regular pencil. Okay, so what I like to use is I like to use window cleaner to clean. I also like to use 409 to clean. And I also like to use Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. So we're gonna start with the window cleaner. So what we're gonna do is all these, you can also already see some of that is coming off. Okay, so we're just gonna spray it. So look at that marker came off really fast. So you can see the marker comes off pretty much with with just regular window cleaner. So these other things, we have pencil still, we have the pen, we have pen, pencil, we have the dry erase, and then the crayon. Okay, so we're gonna spray again. This time we're gonna let it sit. I'm gonna clean some of this other part of the wall because it's dirty too. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here and we're gonna press, okay? So that gets out. That was the colored pencil, I believe, and the pencil. So that gets out that. So then we have the dry erase. So it's called elbow grease, just a little bit of elbow grease. So we've got like 3 out of the 6 that we did. So we still have the pen on there, and we still have the crayon and the dry erase. Okay, so now I'm gonna come in with my 409. See if that takes care of it. We're just gonna let that sit for a minute. All right, and we're gonna come in. So the crayon you see starting to come off with that 409. And this dry erase definitely coming off with that 409. The pen, not so much. But you can see that crayon is still there. So what you can do is you can do more of the 409. I'll do it one more time on these things. You can see pen is the hardest to get off the wall. And while we're going through this, I'm going to talk to you. We use Benjamin Moore paint on our wall. And that, so when you're getting crayon out of a surface, so maybe you don't have crayon on your wall, but maybe you have it on a table and it's made of wood or something like that. So what really depends, what will affect if it will come off, it's called the porosity of your surface. So with paint, it creates like a barrier and it won't come off as much. But you see that crayon is really starting to come out. So now we just have one left. We have that pen left. That crayon is almost out. And I made sure I did this in a spot we could cover up in case things got crazy. Okay. Now we're gonna try our magic eraser because we just have the pen left. Okay, so this pen is the hardest one to come out. So I just got my magic eraser wet and I was pressing on it like it says to. Look at that. Magic eraser saves the day. Come over to this crayon. Sometimes magic erasers will take the paint off your wall, so you just wanna be careful with that. So, look at that. It was less than like 2 or 3 minutes I got all of that stuff out. So you can kind of see it's a little bit lighter. I think it's because maybe it's wet. We'll have to see how all this dries. Now we just have the Sharpie left. I'm gonna go to a room, might be a little dark, and we're gonna try out the Sharpie, just so if it makes a permanent mark, I can get it, I don't have to worry about it. So guys, now we're in the confines of my closet. We're gonna try a Sharpie. Okay. Make a mark. Oh, I'm so scared. Hopefully this comes out. Okay, so as we were talking about, it's all about the porosity of a surface. So this, let's look at this wood right here. This wood, when it has the finish on it, it's not as porous as when it doesn't have a finish on it. So if you have something and it doesn't have a finish on it, like carpet has no finish, so carpet is gonna be more porous. This is less porous because it has a finish. This is more so because maybe they're about the same, these two, because they're both kind of have a sealant on it. So certain paints have better porosities than others. And you want less porosity because you don't want it to go down. You don't want it. All right, now we're gonna try this magic eraser. Starting to come out. Look at that. That is amazing. So I'm just going to scrub it more. A lot, when you're doing this, a lot of it just is good old manpower. Well, shoulder grease, right? So I'm just pressing hard with this. And look at that. The Sharpie is off the wall. I didn't have to do it in my closet where no one would see. The other marks are from other stuff, but the Sharpie is off the wall. That's amazing. Okay, right, so we have successfully got all these things off the wall, which I was thoroughly surprised with the Sharpie, but good job, Magic Eraser. So I've ordered them from like the easiest to the hardest. So the washable marker, definitely super easy. And then the pencil was very easy. Colored pencil was okay. The crayon was getting a little harder. The pen was, it had to go through the Magic Eraser, and the Sharpie only worked with the Magic Eraser. So do you guys have marks on your walls? Have you guys been able to get them out? Let me know in the comments below and what has worked for you. Is there something else that I didn't try that has worked? But everything worked here, so if you do need to get those marks out, find those two products, the window cleaner and 409. Usually people have those in their closet, and the Magic Erasers you'll probably have to purchase separately if you don't already have those at home. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I like to give you guys all the cool secrets out there and help you guys find the coolest art supplies and how to take care of the coolest art supplies. All right, have a good day.